1. Keep your fucking mouth shut. 2. Do not tell people your plans until they materialize. 3. Never expect to get what you give. 4. Every day you get up, be better. 5. Be grateful for everything that you have. 6. Sometimes what you're holding on to is the one thing you need to let go of. 7. If you want to buy things without looking at the price tag, stop watching the fucking clock and work your ass off. 8. God puts people in your life for one reason. 9. The moment you start to achieve success, the devil is going to come knocking on your fucking door. 10. You're going to always upset people when you do what's best for you. 11. You are going to lose all the friends that are not true friends. Your true friends are going to stick with you through thick and thin. 12. Life doesn't get easier. You just get fucking stronger, and you can endure anything.